me back like you owe your tax. Owe me back like 40 acres for blacks. Pay me back when you shake it like that, girl.
What up, y'all? Exclucity coming to you with another unboxing video. We got the Air Max Vapormax. This is the, Air Vapormax 97 in the black gold metallic silver colorway. This is the OG Japan 97 colorway inspiration, but with a little bit of a twist. As you can see, one of my favorite shoes, before we start, one of my favorite shoes last year, before they introduced the Sean Weatherspoons, was Ivan's sneaker. I forgot his full name, but the runner-up to the Sean Weatherspoon sneaker was actually the shoe that I voted for, which is a 97 upper with a zipper right in the middle of the sneaker right here, which was fully 3M, and then it also had some patent leather and a see-through side panel, and it also featured a Vapormax bottom on the shoe. So I thought that was super next level, super ahead, and I wanted that shoe to win so bad. I was kind of disappointed when Sean Weatherspoon won. Although it is a great sneaker, I was a little bit disappointed because I wanted to see, and I was scared that I wouldn't see that shoe come to fruition. But since this year's theme is like species of air, and you're mixing midsoles and uppers of different Air Maxes, we finally get a shoe in a classic Air Max 97 colorway, which was the Japan colorway, which is really iconic, to take on the Vapormax midsole. And you know, a lot of people might shy away from something like this, but I personally love the Vapormax and 97 combination. I think it looks super great, and I see the potential in these combinations here, and I see like a brand, maybe like Acronym, could take this shoe and this combination to the next level with something like a zipper, a see-through, whatever. And yeah, I just think it's great mixing both. And for you guys that think that this shoe fits like a regular 97, in my opinion, they fit a little bit different. They fit actually wider. I think it's because the sole is a little bit wider than your classic 97. I don't know. It's hard for me to determine for you guys, but for me, when I put them on, they feel much better with this shoe right here than the classic 97. So let's look at your outsole of the sneaker. You got your Vapormax bottom, and it's so great. It is so great to see that Volt hit on a Vapormax. I think it's like super futuristic. Then you got your black hits obviously here for your for that outsole right there. Midsole obviously features the Vapormax bottom, which is a full airbag, less midsole, more air on the airbags right there. Oops, sorry. And then you got obviously your upper other shoe in a combination of nubuck, 3M, and mesh, using that classic Japan colorway. So you got the Volt hit on the side right there, different type of gray on the upper with obviously your 3M, Air Max 97 pull tabs on the heel, and then the shoe comes with your circular laces in gray, obviously with a black mesh tongue and then a Volt hit on the top of the tongue. What do you guys, I'm really curious to know what you guys think about this shoe right here. I think your minds are going to change a little bit for those that are on the fence once you see the sneaker on feet. So let's go look at what these shoes are.
Bump out to the borderline. UK hot with it, blue spots with it, every continent love.
Alright, so this is what the 97 Vapormax Japan looks like on feet. They feel super good, and they don't feel like regular 97s. I think it's because of the tooling. They do feel a little bit wider. I may be mistaken. Maybe I'm going crazy. I don't know, but they do feel a lot less narrow than a regular Air Max 97. They do look good on feet, in my opinion, but it's really up to you guys, and I want to know what you guys think about these whole mashups of Air Maxes from Nike. Do you guys like it? Do you guys hate it? And I want to know in the comments below. Yeah, so that's pretty much it for the Vapormax 97 Japan. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to our channel. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, so you can catch new reviews of sneakers. And also, don't forget to hit the bell so that when we get new reviews, you guys get notified right away. Thank you guys for watching. Catch you on the next review. Peace.
Bump out to the borderline. UK hot with it.